Hey everyone, welcome to TechWire. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 1523, count odd numbers in an interval range. So here, given two non-negative integers, low and high, and we need to return the count of odd numbers between the range low and high inclusive. Now we will see the code and logic for this problem. So basically, we need to find the number of odd numbers in this particular range. And I need to include high, so I have added 1 to it. Basically, upper bound value will be neglected. Since the question says we need to include high, I'm adding 1 here, right? So here I've taken the first example in the Leetcode website. So I'm just substituting the values here. Low is 3 and high is 7, and I'm going to get 8 here. So here I need to find the number of odd numbers in this range. I will divide the lower and upper bound values by 2 using the floor operator. Then I will take the value that I calculated in the upper bound value. Then I will subtract it with the value that I get after performing floor operator on the lower bound value. So here I'm going to get 4 and here I will get 1. So if I calculate, I'm going to get value 3, right? So basically we are first calculating the number of odd values lie between 1 to 8. That is from 1 to upper bound value. Here this represents 1 to upper bound value, and this term represents between 1 to low minus 1 range. That is between 1 and 2. We are calculating number of odd values lie between 1 and 2. It's going to be 1, right? It will be 1. So here it will be 4 odd values in this range. That's the reason we are getting value 4 here. And if we subtract both of them, we are going to get the odd values lie in the range low and high, inclusive high, right? So now we will see the code. Before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting, guys. So basically we are going to just return high plus 1, and I'm going to perform the floor operator in the upper bound value. Then I'm going to subtract this one with the lower bound value. Then I perform floor operator on lower bound value as well, right? If I run, as you guys see, it worked. The time complexity is order of 1 and the space is order of 1 as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers, guys.